Hopefully I'm getting this. Hi guys, it's Lewis. This morning we will be heading to Philadelphia International Airport. I am on my way to pick up my sister at our parents' house as we head to Walt Disney World for a quick brother and sister vacation. Our brother will also be flying in and meeting us at Orlando International Airport. The arrival times are only 5 minutes apart, so that worked out perfectly. I was running a half hour early, so I decided to get the car washed if there wasn't going to be a long line. I was planning on getting it washed the day before, but you know how the day before vacation goes. There's always something going on, it's always crazy at work, just never have enough time. So I decided to get it done today. It's depressing enough leaving Walt Disney World. I didn't want to get back and then get into a dirty car, so I figured let's get it washed.
Please wait while we verify your membership. Wash clubs offer great value and welcome to our car wash. Please select a car wash by pressing one of the. To complete your purchase, please insert cash or card. You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you.
The destination is on your left, the parking spot. The destination is on your left.
Yeah, 31 through 60. Thank you. Hi. Thank you.
We're heading on the plane.
Wherever you think. Hi, good morning.
First class?
No. It's all first class.
Any blue seat?
Okay.
Okay.
No, it's- oh, okay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. From North Southwest Airlines Flight 5790 service to Orlando.
Baggage.
Open seats here at Southwest, but not to be completely full. We will have some seats open. However, if you are standing in now, please help us expedite that boarding process. Let's go ahead and step up to that aisle. Row down to the audience.
That's what I like about it.
Normal taxi time today.
He's got their Disney food.
We're actually flying out a day early, as we were flexible in our dates, so non-stop from Philadelphia to Orlando was only $36 for this flight. Per person. So that offset the cost for the room. We actually ended up staying at Port Orleans French Quarter, and the rest of our vacation we were going to stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Thank you.
So Laura and I are on our way to baggage claim to meet up with our brother Paul, and then we will get the rental car and head out to Port Orleans French Quarter.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A.
We rented from Alamo this time. We got the best deal from Alamo. The last couple times we used Alamo. We pick up at the terminal, so we can either pick up on A or B side. It doesn't matter, and you can also drop off either A or B side.
It's magical.
Quarter.
Right here, French Quarter. Okay, we just got to Port Orleans French Quarter. Used to say at the Riverside. So, okay, now we're going to head over to the studios.
We figured we would head to the studios since we came into Orlando late afternoon, and we would just hit a few attractions, get something to eat, meet up with our cousins who live here, and just walk around and look at the Christmas decorations, kind of get settled in.
There's the mini golf. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Hopefully I got this.
Slower, just. What's supposed
No.
to be on the band?
What is
What's
supposed
supposed to be on the what type of ticket?
A 5-day park hopper?
Is it Canadian, Florida,